Hello, hello, everybody. I have something to show you. It is from One Day Savings. This is the first video. I have two. I've split it into two parts. So this is just the first part you're seeing here. I got an assortment of things, so it should be interesting. So I'm going to set this aside, and we're going to start with that thing on the top. So what is on the top? This I just saw on their site, and I thought, okay, let me get this. Let me get this. So let's see. Let me show you what's in here. I thought this was interesting. I have an assortment of tools, accessories, diamond paintings, fun things. So let's get into it. All right, what do we have here? Okay, so this is interesting. It's coming out of its bag here. Hang on. It's really like, oh, it's taped at the bottom. Like, why would it come out? Because it's taped in. Okay, there we go. All right, here we go. So what do we have here? We have us a little stand. That's what we have. So as you can tell, it's a stand. This came in different colors, and we have little rings. So the rings go on the stand. See the little rings? Okay, they will hang on your stand like this. Like that. Okay, but they open. So they will open. There's like a little latch, see? And what you do is you have bags. And you take your little bag and you put your thing through here like such. And then you hang it like that. It's drill storage. Dun, da, da. It's brilliant, right? It's drill storage. It's cool. So I don't know how many are here. It doesn't say. It looks like there's maybe 20, 25 bags there. They gave us some stickers like this. You can label them, but they also gave us this, which is pretty cool. And this was quite inexpensive. I will link it below. I don't remember the price. I used to look up all the prices of stuff before I did videos, and then I just, that all got away from me. So these are all DMC coded, right? Little round stickers with all the codes, and they're all in the colors. Love it. Love it. I've gotten some stickers like this before. They're super nice to have. I love that. So you could use this if you're working on a painting. I mean, it's very space efficient, right? If you could put your whole kit on here, and this is the only space it takes up, that's kind of cool. Now, getting them off to use them, you could just unhook your little thing at the top there. I don't know. Long-term storage, you decide. Okay, I'll fuss with that later. Anyhow, I just thought I'd show you that. It's unique, something different. I thought I'd show you that that's out there and it's available. Okay. You all stay over there. All right. Since we're on tools, let me show you this. I got one of these. I've never had one, and people talk about them all the time. They are the ceramic cutters. So it just looks like a marker, but it says ceramic pen cutter. So the end of this is ceramic. There's a little tiny, tiny blade in here. Oh, it's pointy. It's pokey. And it just cuts. It's kind of like my little X-Acto knife. Can you see it even? Hang on. Come on. Focus. See the little blade sticking out of it? Now that will poke you. If you're not careful, it will poke you. But like to cut washi tape or whatever, if you put washi tape on your paintings, it could be very handy for that. I mean, I tried to do it with a pair of scissors, and that's not very handy. So that could come in quite handy. Love that. All right, that's tools. Tools. What else do we have? Let's show you a painting. Why not? Let's show a painting. So this is their toolkit. Comes like that. And this was just a cute little poinsettia and pine cones for the holidays. It's got 23 colors. I thought it was pretty, right? Very pretty. A little 30 by 30. I like it. Boy, this has been laying there for a while. It's pretty darn flat. It's been laying underneath all kinds of other stuff. I'm not going to open up all these drills, but we have browns and reds and yellows and greens and off-white. Those are our colors, right? So nice, 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 nice. That's cute. I like it. I love the pine cones. Pine cones would be fun to do. Very confetti heavy, but they'd be fun. All right, what else do we have? Let's look at this. Things in boxes. You know how I feel about things in boxes. I love my stuff in boxes. I don't even know what this is. I haven't turned it over. I mean, I do. I looked at it when I got it, but I looked at it when I ordered it. oh, look, we're going to construct. We have tools, we have screws, we have plastic things. Oh, this is a train. Do I have the train? I don't even know. When I got this, I remembered thinking to myself, I don't remember ordering the train. I think it was one of those, like when you go to some websites, there's like 3 or 4 or 5, sometimes even different items all under one listing, and you got to make sure you get the right one. But I mean, this would be fun to do for a kid. So like I said, we're going to have lights. They'll be lighted. Put your battery in there. These are our little fairy lights. You can string them around between your posts. We'll put this together with the posts and the screws. They give you a screwdriver. Attach your lights inside with the double-sided sticky toolkit. So this is just a 2-sided little train, and he's going to go just like that. All right, put it together, put the lights in between, put the posts in there. So both sides will be drilled. They're both exactly the same, so they're opposite, you know. They're reverse images so that they will do this. Nice little plexiglass. It's cute, super cute, right? I think I have a grandson now that might like that. What do you think? So that's that. And then it has special drills. Let's see what the special drills are. A lot of rhinestones. I see some stars. Some stars. Let's look at them. What do we have? What do we have? Okay, so we have some gold, red, peachy color, orange, green, a couple of blues, some regular black, pink, clear. Oh, we got white AB. Love that. We have some larger red. We got some little teardrops, little champagne colored teardrops. We have 2 sizes of stars. Actually, we have a smaller and a larger. There's our stars. That'll be cute. Will I have time to do it before Christmas? I don't know. I got so many things. So many things going on. I don't know. But that's really cute. Okay. Let's put that over there. And I got one more item for this part. One more. Don't think for 1 second that you have escaped a Mindy video. How does this come out here? Hang on. It's like wrapped and wrapped and wrapped and stuck without gnomes. Yeah, it wouldn't be a Mindy video if there weren't gnomes, correct? So we have gnome keychains, and they're very sticky. There's a ton of them. Okay, because they're one-sided. So we get this and this. There's just, how many are there? Oh, they're sticky, sticky, sticky. 3, 4. Oh, he's holding a bell. He's holding a Christmas ball. I don't know what they're holding. He's got a tree. I don't know what he has. What's he got? I don't know. Looks like he's got an apple. I don't know what he has. He's got a stocking. I can tell that one. A stocking. A package. It'd be fun to get some of these done before that craft sale, but it's coming so fast. I can't even get these 2 apart. They're so stuck together. Okay. Seriously? There we go. What is that? A pot of something? I don't know. He's got a big tree. I like that one. And he's got a snowman. He's my favorite. I like him. He's got a snowman. Here's our chains. I just pulled in something from outside that I'd had hanging out all summer long, and it is still perfectly fine. The only thing that happened is the chain got rusty. It still holds. I just brought it in for the winter. That's all. I'm going to do that more often. Hang my stuff outside. All right. Here's what we have. Different packaging for this one. I think these are all rhinestones. Let's see. Clear, red. Oh, that's just white, regular white. Green. Those are interesting. Those are like a smoky gray color. Brown, pink, yellow. I thought, wait, are these pink? No, there's just some of the pink in there. They're mixed in there. Those are black and blue. So we got some gnomes. We got a train. We got fun stuff, right? Got some interesting tools. So that's what I have for this version number 1 of One Day Savings. So thank you for watching, everybody, and go check them out. See if there's anything there you like. I'll link all of these items below, of course. Okay? All right. Talk to you soon, everybody. Have a great day. Bye.